Hi friends, what's up? Today we welcome you to our channel. So as you have guessed by seeing the thumbnail and the title that we are going to make a stylus pen. It is very easy to make a stylus pen. We will require some everyday material to make it. So let's get started. So friends, the material we would need is a simple pen, a wire which should be an inch long from the pen which we are using, some water, a piece of cotton, scissors and a plier. So friends, now we have to take this pen, we have to remove this cap and we have to remove this also and we have to remove its ink. So the pen will be looking like this. We have to save it for later. So friends, now we have to take this wire and we have to remove one strand of wire by the help of this plier. So friends, now we have taken out one strand of wire from that wire. So now we have to take this pen and we have to put this strand of wire. So friends, as you can see that we have put one end of the wire from this opening and one end of the wire from this opening. So friends, now we have to take the piece of the cotton and we have to insert a small piece of the cotton on this opening. So friends, now we have inserted a cotton on a pen like this. Now we have to cut its tip, the cotton like a brush tip. So friends, as you can see, our stylus pen is ready. So friends, before using our stylus pen, we have to moist our tip of the stylus pen like drop with the drops of water. We have to moist the whole cotton tip. So friends, now our stylus pen is ready to use.